All right, what's going on, folks? Mark Lux, Deluxe Motorsports. I know there's a few of y'all that are going to be excited about this video. Anyway, to my followers on Instagram and YouTube, this is my personal 7.3 Excursion 03. I'm deciding to part ways with it. I'm going to list it for sale today. I got some new choices for 2019 and 2020. So I have too many vehicles. I'm going to get rid of this one. I hate to do it. It's probably one of my most favorite ones. But anyway, I'll have all the particulars on the website as far as suspension, what wheels, tires, all the stuff that's been done to it. I will tell you, this truck is immaculate. It's probably one of the nicest 03s that you're ever going to find on the market. Of course, it's a 7.3, and the truck was done right. Like I said, I've drove it several times. I took it on a trip to New York. But anyway, I'm going to give you a couple shots of it. You'll see all the pictures, and I'll do a full video of it once it's all the way fully ready for sale. I got to re-clean it up. Service is good. Service is up to date. Like I said, it drives like a new truck. This is probably one of the nicest driving straight axles you ever find. Anyway, check it out. Like I said, it's a little dirty right now, but the exterior's been fully ceramic coated. The American Force wheels have been fully ceramic coated. And it's a super, super nice truck. It was a one owner before I bought it. You could see the frame is still in really good shape. So again, I'll have more particulars coming up. I've had several people tell me, and I don't remember who it was, but they told me, anytime if you decide you're ever going to sell it, make sure you call us, let us know. Unfortunately, I stay really busy. Probably don't have the phone numbers anywhere that I could find, as I didn't anticipate really selling this truck. So, but anyway, I'm going to cut her loose. Again, this is my 03 Ford Excursion 7.3. Check it out.